Hello everyone, it's Nisha. Welcome to another day with the Emily Edit palette. I'm really going to try to do something a bit more natural. It is so hard because, like I said, I want to play with all these eyeshadows. I think what I'm going to do is to put the Charlotte Tilbury Eyes to Mesmerise in Jean on my mobile lid. And I might top it off with one of the eyeshadows. I think I'm going to put, where is it? Oh heavens, on the top of that. I don't really know what color that is. Oh yeah, that's nice. Now I'm going to take Hobby and I'm going to put that in my crease. Oh yeah, I like that. It's a cooler color. It's like a stone color, I would say. Oh, I like this color. It's much nicer on the eye than what is swatched like on my hand, because I did what I told you, put a few eyeshadows on my hand to see what I'm going to put together. By the way, you know, you've seen last week my Nip+Fab review. I've been using the foundation for a week now and I haven't broken out or anything, and like I said, I've bought another one and I bought 3 of the concealers because I love this concealer. Now I'm going to take Apartment, which is this dark brown. It looks very dark, but it is not that dark. That's the one. When I swatch it on my hand, it doesn't seem that dark. And I'm going just to shade my outer V with it. My 7. So you see I'm shading it in a shape of 7, so I'm going into the crease here. This is a lovely color as well. Then blend it upwards, just the edges. And now I'm going to use the Apartment as well underneath my eye. And then I will take Hobby, the one that I put in my crease, and just blend it like underneath the Apartment here. Take Apartment again on a angled brush, wet it, and I'm going to use it as a liner on the top of my lid. You know, I don't use much of a liquid liners. I sometimes use kohl liners, but I'm trying to make it really neutral and everyday, and I think this is it. This is as everyday as it gets for me. And these two darker eyeshadows were matte, but they have lovely finish, and I really love the tones of those two browns. And that's it. Can you believe it? Let's do mascara. I'm gonna use my Nars Climax mascara, another one that I really like. I know a lot of people don't like this mascara. The only thing I would maybe change about this mascara is make the brush a bit smaller, like thinner, but I still love it, and it comes off so easily. I don't know why people don't like it. I mean, not all people, but a lot of people I've seen don't like this mascara. I love this look. I really love it. This is such a pretty, everyday for me, makeup. Okay, for my lips today I'm going to use NYX matte lip liner in Toulouse, and I'm going to use the NYX new lipstick that I bought, Summer Love. It is very light, so I'm going to fill my lips in a bit with that. The good thing with light lipsticks like that is you can use different color lip pencils and fill it up, and every time you get a bit different look. It is very light, very creamy. Do you know what? While I'm here, I might try this. So when I've ordered the backups of Nip+Fab stuff, I've also ordered the lip topper in Shooting Star. Let's see. It doesn't have much color to it. I think it's got just like holographic. Oh. Nice. Very nice. But can you imagine? You can get so many different effects. Depends what lipstick you put it on. Yeah, it's very nice. Okay, my lovely, so this was the Emily Edit day 3, I think. I'm so excited doing this. I think I might do the green one tomorrow, so watch out for that one. But for now, that's all. Thank you so much for watching, and stay fabulous. See you tomorrow.